Hey everyone, welcome to Radby. My name is Robert, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to get started on YouTube. I'm gonna provide you a few useful tips on how to make your first videos. Right, so before we get too deep into this, you need to start with a positive attitude. If you wanna treat YouTube like a job, I think that's a wrong mindset. You need to treat this like a hobby. When you do something and you don't expect to be paid, you don't expect any rewards, if you do it that way, it's gonna be more fun. If you do it like a job, you will be disappointed because it's kind of hard to reach that point where you get paid for what you're doing. For some people, it takes 6 months. For other people, it may take years to get that point where you get paid by what you're doing. So don't think of YouTube like a job, just do it with passion and pleasure and expect nothing from it. Alright, so step 1 would be to learn a video editing software so that way you can edit your videos. If you don't know how to edit your videos, that's gonna be an issue. So if you are a Mac user, I suggest you to start with Final Cut Pro 10. It's an awesome app, it's pretty easy to learn, and don't worry, here on YouTube there are a lot of tutorials that can teach you how to start. They're gonna teach you your first step, so don't worry, I recommend this app because it's very easy to learn and has a lot of options, has a lot of effects and everything that you need for YouTube. If you are on a Windows, I would suggest you to use Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a more complicated, I find it harder to learn than Final Cut Pro 10, but it's an awesome app. You can do your job as well as you can do with the Final Cut Pro. I prefer the Mac because I feel like all the apps run way smoother than on Windows, and you won't have that stuck freezing issue like you have on Windows. Next thing would be buy a new camera with a flip screen and a microphone port. Trust me, the flip screen is gonna help you a lot in seeing yourself while taking a video. Also, the ability to plug in a microphone in your camera is gonna give a nice touch to your videos, make them look and sound more professional. So you can plug any microphone, wireless microphone, shotgun microphones, any kind of microphone will work. Having a good sound for a video is very important as well. If you don't want to buy a new camera or you don't have the money for a new camera, that's fine. You probably have a great phone already. In these days, the phones have a pretty good camera, so you will see it doesn't make any difference at the beginning. It won't matter too much. It just matters to have a good camera, a good quality. So the phones, I think they are pretty good these days. This is shot with the phone right now. I'm looking at the phone, and I think the phone is a great option, and with some cool adapters you can plug a microphone in the phone and have a great sound quality at the same time. So I think that's pretty cool. Moving to the next thing would be practice speaking in front of the camera. This is very challenging. I know when you speak in front of the camera, sometimes it happens to me too. I forget my ideas and the talking points. It really depends of what your videos is about, but most of the time you probably need to make cuts, shortcuts in the videos because you won't be able to shot a video straight with no cuts, just talking, because it's kind of challenging, as I said. Record a lot of videos of you speaking in front of the camera, transfer them to the laptop, look at them, see where you're lacking and what kind of weak points you have, and try to improve yourself because this is very important. Positive attitude. It's very important to have a good video and look good and speak so that people can understand what you're trying to say. Also, don't rush with this step. Make yourself comfortable, make yourself look natural while you speak to the camera. Don't rush with this because practice makes it perfect. So don't rush to post a random video. Start posting when you feel comfortable, and this is gonna help you a lot. Alright, so next step is gonna be easy, is creating a YouTube channel. If you don't have one yet, it's pretty straightforward. If you have a Gmail account, you can go on YouTube and log in with your Gmail account and password, and you can follow the steps there in creating your first YouTube channel. It's pretty straightforward. I don't know what your next channel is gonna be about, but make your profile picture professional as well as the cover. Try to keep your thumbnails same tone, don't go too crazy, make them look professional. Pick a cool font, make it look nice. Make sure people can read your thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. And the last step is uploading your first videos, but don't stop here. You need to be consistent. You need to upload weekly, as often as you can. Try to post high quality content. See what are the trends these days. Probably you may need to look at the small YouTubers who get started, see what kind of topics they talk about, what kind of videos they do about. Try to follow them, see what the trends are, and don't stop. You need to post as often as you can because YouTube ranks your videos and your channel better if you post constantly. If you are consistent with your content and upload weekly, probably bi-weekly, it's up to you, but just don't make long breaks between your videos because that's gonna hurt your channel and your rankings. Right friends, so I hope you learned something new today, and if you really like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.